Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3, we have already finished exercise 11.1 up to question 10. This video we are starting challenge number 11. Our question number A fraction stripe has 1/5 mark at 9 centimeter. How long is the fraction stripe? What does mean? Let's consider this is our stripe and a fraction stripe has 1/5 mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is 9. It means 1/5. So it's a very simple thing. Here is a 9, 9, 9, 9. So what? 9 plus 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. So how long is the fraction stripe? It's a 45 centimeter. But how can we calculate this one? It's a very simple thing. We can write like this way: 1/5 of whole equals to 9 centimeter. So whole equals to 5 times 9. It means 45 centimeter. Okay. So number A done. What should 1/3 be marked on the stripe? So total 45 centimeter. If you make this one 1/3, so it will be, we can write this one 1/3 of 45. It will be 45 divided 3 is a 15. So 15 centimeter. Very simple. Number 12. It's a very interesting thing. Zara and Sophia both made a fraction stripe, but both stripes are torn. Zara stripe is gray, Sophia stripe is white. Which stripe is shorter? How do you know? Before starting this one, look, this is a chocolate which is, let's say, 10 centimeter, and this is another chocolate which is 12 centimeter. Now if we make half, so here is a 5 centimeter and here is a 5 centimeter. Similar, if we make this one half, so it will be 6 centimeter, it will be 6 centimeter. So both we make half, but centimeter totally different. Why? Because it's a depend on whole size. So we can say Sophia stripe is shorter. Look, Zara stripe is very long and Sophia is very short. So this case we can say a fraction is relative to the size of the whole. Even though both are 1/3 and 1/3 of a small chocolate bar is always smaller than 1/3 of a larger chocolate bar. So Sophia is a smaller size and Zara is larger size. Okay, so both 1/3 or 1/2 is not similar. Number 12 done. Number 13, it's a relative, or it's like question 11. There are 25 marbles in 3/4 of a bag of marbles. So what does mean actually? Actually it means, first we have to understand 3/4 of bag equals to 24 marbles, right? So actually, suppose this is a bag, we can consider like this way. We can make big size. Okay, so it's a half and it's another half, and here mention this part, it means 3/4 equals to 24. It means here is a 8, here is a 8, here is a 8. So naturally it will also 8. So how many marbles are in full bag? It should be 32. How can we make this one? Now let's say 3 by 4 of bag is 24. So we can say bag, or we can say whole bag, equals to, here is a 24 times 4 divide 3. It means total and fraction amount will be divided by how many part we divide. It's a 3. So here is a 96 divide 3. So it will be 3 times 3 is a 9. So 3 times 2 is a 6. So here is a 2. It's a 32 divide 1. So total 32. Very simple. Number 14. Fatima buys a bunch of grapes. She eats 1/3 of bunch. There are 18 grapes left. How many grapes were in the bunch that Fatima bought? Now she eats 1/3. Okay, 1/3 already she took. So let's consider this is a total thing. This one and this one. He took 1/3. It means this one he took. And this one left. How many? 18. It means this is a 2/3. Okay. How? We can say this one is 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. So it means 2/3, right? Because we know 1/3 plus 1/3 equals to 2/3. So 2 by 3 of what? Grapes equals to 18, right? So we can say grapes equals to 18 times 3 divide 2. So we can divide this one, 18 by 2, it's a 9. So 27. So how many grapes were bunch that Fatima bought? Total 27. Now let's consider 27 is a 2 by 3, right? So actually 2 by 3 of grapes equals to 18. So we can say 27 of 1/3 of 27, it means 9. So here is a 9, 9, and 9. Okay, very simple. There are 12 nails in a pack. Fing uses 9 nails. What fraction of the pack does he use? So how can we solve this one? We have to find out the fraction. So first, there are 12 nails in a pack. Total 12. Use 9. Fraction. Use divide total. It means 9 divide 12. So this one we can divide by 3. So 3 times 3 is a 9. 3 times 4 is a 12. So fraction is 3 by 4. So answer 3 divide 4. Very simple. So after this math, we have completed exercise 11.1. Next video, we will start 11.2, which is ordering and comparing fraction. Next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't waste your time. My channel Sath Educare. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.